Hey guys, it's Freddie, and we're back for another installment of Freddy Fridays. I have my model here, Lydia.
Hi.
Hi, and I'm gonna help you out with some brows today, show you some tips and tricks.
I have no brows. I'm basically a potato, so he's gonna take me to my full potential.
You're not a potato. Lydia, what I would recommend is the Frameworker Brow Pomade. Now, I would pair it up with the Fill Service Brow Brush. So let me show you how this works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just map out your brow, and I'm gonna just dip into the brow pomade here. All right, so corner of the nose to the corner of your eye is gonna be the beginning of your brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little dot right there. Corner of the nose to the center of your pupil is where your brow arch is gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that just right up here. And then the tail end of your brow should be corner of the nose to the corner of your eye. So I'm gonna just do a dot right there.
I'm gonna make it like really arched.
Not too arched. I still want to keep it kind of like realistic, like a natural brow. But I'm gonna give you that nice, like strong full brow that you want.
There's like nothing natural about my face right now.
Oh my gosh, no! Your makeup looks amazing. Your makeup looks amazing. And you know, all we need to finish up your makeup is a little bit of brows. So what I like to do after I've mapped out the brows, I like to make sure I comb the brow hairs up.
My 4 eyebrow hairs.
Your little brows. And this just allows you to kind of, you know, figure out like where your brows should start and what areas you should fill. So a great technique here that I want to show you is when you swipe the brush and you grab the product, I'm going to swipe it on the sides of the brush. Now what this does is that it actually presses all the bristles together, so you get a razor sharp angled brush, and then all you have to do is create hair-like strokes by flicking up. So I'm just doing a very soft, gentle pressure. And this creates the look of natural brow hair.
I wouldn't know what that feels like.
What we've done here with our Frameworker Brow Pomade is that, you know, once you have these on, they're actually going to stay on for 12 hours. So you're not going to have to worry about them rubbing off on accident. They're actually waterproof as well, so you can rock these to the gym. It's such a great brow pomade.
I have told you about my goggle incident, right?
Oh my gosh, no, tell me.
I went to this VR arcade, and then I had these goggles on, and then when I took them off, my eyebrows were like completely off, and I only noticed because people were staring at me.
Oh my gosh, that's the worst! So next what I do is I'm gonna go ahead and just define the under part of the brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and define a little bit here, and then I'm just gonna taper towards the end. I'm gonna round it out at the arch, and then just connect it to the tail end of the brow. Alright, cool. So what I'm doing now is I'm just continuing to fill the brow, and my recommendation for your brow shape is to create more fullness towards the other end. Brow shape. Well, I brought it back. Your brow here.
So kind.
Your brow is now here.
Like on this side, and then I'm like.
It's like before and then after. And I'm just adding a little bit more brow hair strokes right in here to create that nice natural look. And you know, an angled brush is going to be the best tool for this, so you can get those precise hairs, that really nice tapered end, and because it has that nice angle, you really get to achieve that with this brush. Now, I forgot to mention it's actually retractable. Ooh. So check that out. You can take it to go.
Fix my brow on the go.
On the go. Yep, you can take it to go on the go and put it in your purse, and you're not going to be afraid of it smashing the brush.
I don't think I could ever go back to my old life.
Right?
Like once my team sees me, there's like no going back.
There's no going back.
Lydia's dead. What's my new name? No, you guys are all against me. We love it. No photos unless you give me $5.
Okay, Lydia, so these are your new brows. What do you think? Tell me the truth.
I feel like a whole person. I feel like I walked in here just half a soul. Literally.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Alright guys, and that is it for this week's Freddy Fridays. Let me know in the comments below any other video topics that you'd like me to cover. I cannot wait till next time. I have my model here, Lydia.
Am I supposed to say something?
I don't know. Our brow service brow filler. Because we're so close, it's like...
Should I just... like...
Yes.
I don't even know if you can see it.
Your eye is going to be the beginning. The beginning.
Alright guys, I'm rolling.
Alright, okay, sorry. Rolling, good? Sorry. Oh, anything. I just have to get it out, get out the giggles. Alrighty. Alright guys. Alright guys. No, that's good. I think we're good with that, right?
I guess.
Yes.
We'll make it work, we'll make it work.